Today I'm very excited to demo my hackathon project called AI CodeMate, an AI powered assistant designed to automate and enhance the code review process. So, what problem does it solve? In fast-paced development environment, developers often push code under tight deadlines, so this can lead to skipped validation, missed bug, or overlooked best practices. So manually code reviews can be time consuming and error prone, especially when like working on the multiple projects on different programming language. So code critics basically addresses this leverage by AI. One, review the code for bugs and vulnerabilities. Second, maintain coding standards and best practices. Third, generate a software bill of material. Fourth, it detect and summarize the license related risk. So basically, it helpful for every team where the code base involves different programming language, and every programmer cannot be like well versed in different programming languages. So basically, it helps and ensures that code quality stays high regardless of who wrote the code on which programming language. So here are my key features: code quality review, license verification, and dependency check. And here is my tech stack. Let me walk you through the demo. In my demo, I'm gonna take a snippet of code. This is my buggy code. I'm gonna run my server in the back end. Let me start the server, and if I restart this and paste my buggy code in here, I'm gonna pick all the feature: code review, bill of materials, and license check. So I'm gonna submit for review. It's gonna take 20 to 30 seconds. So meanwhile, I'm gonna explain this. Like, I have selected this small C++ snippet that like contains a buffer overflow bug. So basically, this code initializes the five initializes this like with the 5 elements, but it loops attempt to access beyond that limit. So that is the issue. So here we can see that we already got the review response, code review, and it highlights us with issues in the code, and memory management, code clarity, and also like it gives the improvements, like what are the improvements are needed, and the corrected code. So if we run this, copy this snippet of code and rerun it, it will definitely work. So, and also unified diff patch, and it gives a small summary like what been fixed and how it refactored, commented for the clarity, and also like removed the intentional buffer overflow to prevent the undefined behavior. And here is we have a second feature called bill of material. So basically it lists all the external and internal dependencies. So it helps to understand what libraries are being used in the code base. So useful for both compliance and maintenance. So basically it gives the bill of material summary. And finally, we have the license information. It summarizes whether any risk license like GPL or LGPL are present. So even it detects the direct license usage from the nested dependencies. So sometimes that are like often missed in like manual audits. So overall, if we see, like it gives us the like how we can improve the comments for the readability purpose, also highlights the areas for the refactoring and all. So each output is like clear, actionable, and directly like usable by the developer. The so this is like very well like designed to be fast, accurate, and multi-language friendly, reliable assistant for every coder. So I'm gonna leave with the final thought that the best code is no code at all, but if it must exist, make it clean, secure, and reviewed by both human and AI. Thank you once again for your time, and happy coding.